Looking to support your digestion in a more natural way? Check out Bay Essential Oil. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Bay Essential Oil, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. One of the most popular ways to use Bay Essential Oil is to support digestion. Dilute this oil and apply it to your pulse points and abdomen to support healthy digestion after eating a heavy meal. Another great way to use this oil is to support respiration. If you're feeling a little under the weather, try this oil in a diffuser and notice how it makes breathing easier. Third way to use Bay Essential Oil is to support your body's natural detox. Dilute this oil and use some Epsom salts in your bath to help support your body's natural detox and support your body's health. This is how this oil works. Essential oils are made up of natural chemicals created by a plant. The main natural chemicals that occur within Bay Essential Oils are 1,8-cineol and linalool. These naturally occurring chemicals is how we know this oil is so good at supporting digestion and its other benefits. To learn more about these naturally occurring chemicals, visit the blog post in the description of this video. Let's make sure you know how to use this oil safely. This oil is best used at a higher dilution rate of 0.5% or less, as it can be skin irritating. This oil is best used with kids aged 10 and up, and we don't recommend using this oil around cats or dogs, as it could create some adverse effects. Talk to your vet before using essential oils around your pet, and always leave the door open so that if the aroma disturbs your pet, they can leave. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about essential oils, make sure to hit that subscribe button.